Have you ever wondered how to make AI-generated text sound so natural that no one can tell the difference? In today's video, we're diving into the best AI humanizers that can transform your content to sound just like a real person. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or writer, these tools can help you blend the precision of AI with the charm of human touch. So, if you're ready to make your AI-generated text undetectable, keep watching to discover which tools stand out as the top picks. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button before we continue with these reviews. Thank you. Also make sure to check the links in the description below to try these AI humanizers for free. Without further ado, here are the top 5 AI humanizers to make your AI text undetectable. Number 5. Humbot. Humbot earns its place as a reliable AI text humanizer, specifically focusing on adjusting language to sound less robotic and more conversational. If you're seeking a tool that fine-tunes phrasing while preserving the original message, Humbot is an excellent choice. The platform takes a practical approach to humanization, integrating natural language processing algorithms that work in real time to analyze and adapt text. With Humbot, you get more than just basic rephrasing. It allows you to select tones and styles that suit different audiences, whether you're crafting a professional email or a friendly blog post. This feature is particularly helpful if your content needs to resonate on different platforms. Humbot also integrates a user feedback loop, allowing you to indicate whether the output meets your standards. Over time, this adaptive learning helps Humbot refine its output, better aligning with your preferences. On the downside, Humbot lacks a deep variety of advanced customization features, which can make it feel limited if you're looking for fine-grained control. However, its straightforward interface and consistent output quality make it a reliable entry-level option for many. If you want a straightforward, effective humanizer, Humbot provides a solid foundation without overwhelming you with complex settings. Number 4. BypassGPT. BypassGPT stands out as an AI text humanizer built specifically to counter AI detection systems while delivering more authentic, readable text. Its emphasis on bypassing these detection tools makes it ideal for content creators who need AI text that blends in with human-written content. You'll find BypassGPT particularly useful if you're involved in digital marketing or SEO-focused writing, where originality is crucial. BypassGPT uses a unique algorithm designed to tweak sentence structure, vocabulary, and tone in a way that avoids flagging by AI detection software. It's a game changer if you're concerned about AI detection algorithms recognizing your content as machine-generated. However, BypassGPT's specialization can be a limitation. It's primarily designed to bypass detection rather than provide broader stylistic customizations. So, if you're seeking a versatile humanizer for general content creation, you may find BypassGPT's features slightly restrictive. That said, for those prioritizing undetectable AI text, this tool offers an unmatched level of precision and reliability. Number 3. HIX Bypass. HIX Bypass is a powerhouse in AI text humanization, focusing on creating text that sounds more personable and less generated. With HIX Bypass, you're able to choose from various levels of humanization, depending on how human-like you want your content to be. Its multi-layered approach makes it ideal for content that needs to vary in tone, from highly casual to more formal and structured. One of HIX Bypass's defining features is its detailed control over linguistic nuance. You can specify not just the tone, but the emotional undertone, making it an excellent option for content aimed at specific audience reactions. For example, if you want to craft a persuasive message, HIX Bypass adjusts language to create a sense of urgency or empathy, depending on your needs. This flexibility makes HIX Bypass a robust choice for user engagement-focused content. Additionally, HIX Bypass excels in its ability to learn from user input. The more you use the tool, the better it becomes at understanding your preferences and writing style. Despite its strengths, HIX Bypass can be a bit overwhelming for new users due to its extensive customization options. It's best suited for those who have a clear understanding of their audience and want precise control over their content's tone and style. However, if you're willing to invest time in learning its features, HIX Bypass can significantly enhance the human feel of your AI-generated text. Number 2. StealthWriter. StealthWriter is a versatile and adaptive AI text humanizer, designed to help you create content that flows naturally and blends seamlessly with human-written text. One of StealthWriter's primary strengths is its adaptability. This tool excels at making AI-generated text feel less like code and more like a conversation, ideal for social media, blogs, and marketing content that demands a genuine tone. What sets StealthWriter apart is its fine-tuning capabilities. The tool allows you to specify various nuances, such as regional dialects, word preferences, and even humor levels. This attention to detail is perfect if you're catering to a global audience and need localized text that resonates with different demographics. StealthWriter also incorporates advanced paraphrasing algorithms that ensure the content remains consistent in meaning. While it offers robust customization, StealthWriter may be more complex for those new to AI tools. You may need some time to experiment with its features to achieve the desired output. However, if you're aiming for adaptable and professional text with an authentic voice, StealthWriter is a fantastic choice. It's versatile enough to handle a wide range of content types, giving you control without compromising on readability or flow. Number 1. writehuman. writehuman takes the top spot as the most comprehensive AI text humanizer, known for its ability to produce text that closely mimics human nuances. What makes writehuman exceptional is its balanced approach to both structure and style. Whether you're writing for a corporate audience or a casual reader, this tool has you covered. It offers a range of stylistic adjustments, letting you seamlessly tailor content to match any tone, from professional to conversational. writehuman's standout feature is its learning capability. The tool learns from your input, improving over time to generate text that aligns more closely with your unique voice and preferences. If you're working with large volumes of content, writehuman's adaptability ensures that each piece feels consistent and polished. The tool's user interface is intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced settings for seasoned users. Its balance of simplicity and customization means you won't feel restricted or bogged down by unnecessary features. The only potential drawback is that writehuman's premium features come at a higher price point, but for those who prioritize quality and consistency, it's a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, each of these AI text humanizers brings something unique to the table. From the entry-level simplicity of Humbot to the advanced customization of writehuman, you have options to suit different content needs and audience preferences. While tools like BypassGPT and StealthWriter provide specific advantages for niche uses, writehuman offers the most well-rounded package, allowing you to create text that truly resonates. With any of these tools, you can transform AI-generated content into polished, engaging text that feels authentic and professional. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.